Kuya Rick, happy birthday sa'yo. Para sa mga legit na pamilya ni Dad. Mahal na mahal kita. And for those two, kay Dems and kay Cubes, happy birthday din sa inyo guys. Enjoy natin tong araw na to. Have a good day.
Happy birthday, Kuya Rick. Alam mo naman na mahal ka ng naming Dad Circle and sana magbago ka na. Joke. Alam mo naman na nagkakaintindihan tayo sa alam mo na kung ano yun. Sana mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. And happy birthday also kay Demi and kay Kuya Hoover.
Alright, happy birthday, Rick, Hoover, and Demi. To Boss Rick, thank you for always being an inspiration to us. And to Demi na napaka-supportive, happy birthday sa'yo and hope to bond with you a bit more sa ating pag-stream. And of course, to Hoover, thank you so much for being such a good friend. Happy birthday sa inyong tatlo and God bless you.
Hey, Boss Rick! Happy birthday! I hope you get all the wish that you want in this world. You're one of the few people na kilala ko na sobrang gaan kasama at napakasaya kasama. So I hope this year would bring you all the good fortune and all the blessings that you wish for. Again, happy birthday! And to Demi and to Hoover, happy birthday as well. God bless.
Happy birthday, Boss Rick! I just wanna let you know that I am truly grateful. Alam mo naman yon, hindi ko nasasabihin, and you are heaven sent.
Happy birthday, Boss Rick! Always take care, okay? And good health. Yun lang.
Happy birthday to Demi and
Kuya
Hoover.
Hopes.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Kuya Rick. Salamat sa pagiging kuya sa amin dito sa Dad Circle and also pagtayo sa atin sa pamilya. And also, happy birthday din po kay Kuya Hoover and Demi.
Hi Kuya Rick! Happy birthday sa taong nakilala ko na sobrang bait, sobrang mapagmahal, sobrang napakamakatulungin sa lahat. Sobrang mahal na mahal ka naming lahat at sana pagpalain ka pa nawa ng puong may kapal at more birthday to come. I love you so much, Kuya Rick. God bless you always. I love you. And also kay Kuya Hoobs, happy birthday. Alam mo naman na mahal din kita at pagpatuloy mo lang din yung pagiging mabait mong tao. At syempre sa aking kumaring si Demi, I love you so much kasi hindi man tayo masyado pa nagsasama na matagal. Pero I know na, alam ko na mamahalin mo ako at mamahalin din kita. Thank you so much sa lahat. I love you all.
Happy birthday, Beshi. Maraming salamat kasi naging kaibigan kita and more blessings to come. God bless. And tatambling pa tayo ng parehas. And sa inyo rin, B2 and Kuya Hoobs, happy birthday. Maraming salamat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Boss Rick! Ayan, sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. God bless. Sa inyong concert ni Demi at ni Kuya Hoobs. Happy birthday sa inyo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Rick! I hope na ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Thank you so much for always being there for us, for being such a great kuya, for being so genuine and honest with your opinions. So we're so happy and blessed na nakilala ka namin and that you're part of the Dad Circle family. Also, happy birthday to Kuya Hoover and Demi. Sana maging masaya kayo kasi birthday niyo na.
Happy birthday nga pala sa'yo, Boss Rick, saka sa mga talagang tinitignan na namin ng mga members dito ni Direk. Wish ko sa'yo more birthdays to come, good health, at saka syempre sa karir mo, sa mga negosyo mo. Na? Sana, baka naman. No? Tsaka syempre, happy birthday din kay Demi at saka kay kapatid na Hoover.
Hi Sir Rick, magandang gabi and a belated happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko sana mas marami ka pang mapasayang tao at matulungan at the same time. Because you know, ikaw yung mentor ko. And again, maraming salamat sa life mo. And have a good one, Sir Rick.
Yo Rick, happy birthday! Happy birthday, bro. God bless you today and sa mga susunod pang birthdays, lagi kang mag-iingat, huwag kang magbago bro. And I know na mas magiging successful ka pa sa mga tinatahak mo ngayon. And then sa mga susunod mong mga i-venture pa, I know na kayang-kaya mo yan kasi isa talagang magaling na Rick Abasola.
Yes, first and foremost, a very happy birthday to you, Rick Jason Abasola. And you know that ever since we have met in TikTok, our connection has been growing and it's been very special kasi you are actually one of those alam mo naman yung pinagdaanan natin di ba? Both of us have lost somebody's very, very special in our lives. And alam mo, ikaw yung isa sa mga tao talagang nagbigay ng encouragement, lakas sa akin to actually continue on with whatever I used to be doing. So, maraming salamat sa iyo, Rick. And with this celebration, I really hope na marami pang mga ganito kasi ang saya mong kasama, ang sayang kasama yung mga kasama natin sa family ng Dad Circle. And so thank you very much. Of course, a special shout out birthday greetings to your co-celebrants Demi Moore and Hoover na also are a part of Dad Circle family. You guys are going to be great tonight. I know and I believe it. More shows, more power.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang ay, yung palagi kong sinasabi sa'yo, na kahit anong gawin mo sa buhay, sana palagi kang masaya. Ayun lang.
I am very proud to have a son like you. I don't want to ask for more. Maging anak lang kita, complete na sa buhay ko. I believe na kung ano man ang nais mong tahakin sa buhay mo, you will have it. Kasi mayroon kang passion na kung gusto mo makamit ang isang bagay, ginagawa mo ang lahat ng paraan, remedyo kung ano man. And I know you are a very responsible person. Happy birthday and a million birthdays to come. And as I said, I'm very proud to have a son like you at sa mga taong nagmamahal sa iyo, lalo ngayong gabi, I witnessed na it's first time I heard, Dad Circle, mahal ka nila. Wala akong masyadong masabi kundi taking care of yourself wherever you are, wherever you go. At alam mo naman, si Papa, I'm always behind. Kung ano ang gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, nandito lang ako. I love you, anak. I love you.
Love you, Kuya. Happy birthday.